Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum currently continues to follow the primary expectation in this wave 4. Primary expectation is that we are generally here in an uptrend, or at least a short-term uptrend. I'm not ruling out that we are going to see one more low afterwards. In fact, that is at the moment primary expectation, but short-term upside is currently the plan as long as we're staying above 1100 US dollars. Yeah, we can focus generally on getting into the region around, let's say, the high 1300s, 1400. Yeah, this is the wave count that we've been waiting for. That we are following actually. Wave 1 here to the upside, which peaked on the 26th of November. We then came down in a wave 2 where we hit our reversal area. As expected, we then moved up in a third wave. And in this third wave, we've got subwaves, and a third wave consists of 5 waves. I currently think that we have seen a wave 1, we have seen a wave 2. We are now in a third wave of the third. There will be a fourth wave and a fifth wave of the third. Important is that in this third wave of the third, we have 5 waves as well. Yeah, we have 5 waves. We've got our white wave count within this yellow wave 3. And this is our wave 1, 2 here, the wave 3, the wave 4, and the wave 5. In this wave 4, in which we currently are, we need to maintain a certain support level. So we need to hold a certain level. We're going to talk about that. Before we talk about that, what is actually the target here for the yellow wave 3 when it's finished? The target is, I think it was around 1315. Yeah, 1316 here. I would say between, 1315 and 1320 would be ideal target. That's the 1.618 extension of the wave 1. Perfect target for a wave 3. And realistic if I look at the length of these waves, okay? At the moment, we are in this wave 4, yeah. A little bit of sideways movement is usually expected in a wave 4. A shallow retracement is expected. At the moment, we're doing that. And therefore, we can currently assume it's a wave 4. And all we're doing is fulfilling the primary expectation, because the ideal target for a wave 4 is the 38.2% fib level at 1254. I think I remember that I talked to you in the previous video about, I think we were here, I talked to you about my primary expectation has to be that we come down a bit lower, because the 38.2% fib level, 1254, 1255, is the ideal level of a wave 4. And when we hit this, I expect a bounce. If we don't get a bounce, it could still bounce from 1246, the 50% fib level. Only going below that level would indicate that something else is going on here. It's not a wave 4. It might be another 1-2 setup, yeah. But until then, the idea is to find support in this region here. I'm going to show you that actually highlighted. Somewhere between the 50% fib level and the 23.6% fib level. These are always for a wave 4, the retracement levels that you would expect. From here, we can then move up in a fifth wave to the upside, okay? You can also call this some kind of a bull flag. There's different ways of drawing this or this, doesn't really matter too much. Probably rather use this one with the wicks. But a breakout of the bull flag would indicate continuation to the upside. And from here, yeah, we could then reach the 1315 level roughly, yeah, in the first step, because this would only be the third wave of the third. There should be a fourth wave after the third and a fifth wave as well. So first of all, finish off the third wave in yellow here, the fourth wave and the fifth wave to complete the higher degree wave 3. Then there will be a higher degree wave 4 and wave 5. And then that is when we will then get the decision point. Is this really only all part of a corrective wave pattern here, and we will make new lows afterwards? Or is this actually already a proper breakout, a proper impulse? Do we hold support and will rally afterwards? This is a bit too early to say yet. Yeah, it all depends on the kind of support levels that we're going to hold afterwards. And of course, I will keep you updated about which support levels are of high relevance. Okay, and that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.